Jack McClintock discovered spence when he was at Rio Algom, which is obviously one of BHP's more material mines today producing. It's your prerogative to try to accumulate as much of the best land package as possible. And that's what Jack did across that 50-kilometer district that we own, is a continuous 50 kilometers of our tenements that have been parceled together by Jack. And of course, the most important ones were consolidated by Jack that now informs Red Dog and Hushamu. And what attracted him, the man that discovered Spence, it was the rocks. The first question I asked him as part of my due diligence is, what made you come to this area? And he said it was absolutely the rocks. And what does that mean? Well, the way he described it, and I don't mean to sound over-promotional, but the way he described it, a geologist, was that because of these lithocaps, right, that we do not see in British Columbia, but we see everywhere in Chile and Peru, and because of the top cover that we have on our area, like the trees and the vegetation, it's not as obvious that these lithocaps are as massive as they are. And so the analogy he put is that if this were in Chile, right, where you see no top cover and just these massive bubbling lithocaps that come to surface, this thing would be drilled like Swiss cheese. But the disadvantage we have right now is that we do have a lot of top cover. We do have a lot of shrub that hides the structure and the potential outcroppings of the mineralized zones. But that just means we have to be smarter and better at how we identify these things. And that's why, again, our emphasis right now is good exploration, which can lead to excellent discoveries, especially in this area that is separable from the rest of British Columbia.